Looks like Mike is sure enjoying his vacation.
Hey, hey. Oh yeah.
Uh-oh. Looks like a storm is coming. Hey, you'd better take cover, Mike.
Ow.
Oh dear, he can't hear us.
¿Cómo acá?
Maverick, there's an emergency on the island. Can you help? Mike can't hear our warnings about the storm, Maverick. It's headed right for us. We need to get Mike to leave the island soon. There's Mia. Maybe she can help. Mike's in danger. Can you help us get a message to him?
Oh, mi amor.
Great! Let's go!
Hey. Hey.
Oh, bother. He can't hear us over his music.
Hey.
Mia, can you write something in the sky to get his attention? Wow, nice work!
Hey.
Ugh, his eyes are closed. He doesn't see it. Now what? What are you two up to? That ought to get his attention. Mike, there's a huge storm coming. We've gotta go. Hurry! It's so dark in here. I can't see anything. Smart, Maverick. You brought a lantern. Oh no! We're trapped! Now what? Ah, good thinking. Push! Great teamwork, guys!
Hey.
Hooray! The storm is over!
Hey. Hey.
Well, we've sure got some cleaning up to do. But I think we're up for it. Together.
Hey.
See you next time, friends. Hey, Miranda. Nice day for a cruise, eh? What is it? You've forgotten something. You can't tell me? Now I'm really curious. Hey, Maverick! Miranda needs your help. She wants to set up a scavenger hunt for Father's Day. Think you can round up some monsters for it? We'll meet you back here, Miranda. Hey, why are you doing a scavenger hunt on Father's Day? A secret? I wonder. Who are you looking for? Marty, Milo, and Mitch, eh? Sounds like a party. Miranda has set you a challenge, a scavenger hunt. You need to find a fishing rod, a soccer ball, and a telescope. I didn't hear that one. What's with all the secrets today? Are you ready? All right, let's go! Hey, Maverick, why are you doing this scavenger hunt? I don't understand. But why can't you say? Marty, can you tell me why you're collecting these things? Sworn to secrecy too, eh? Oh well. Hey guys, why are you... Oh. Okay, put them in the treasure chest. These are for me? So that was the secret! A Father's Day gift? That's so thoughtful! And my favorite things, too! Well, thanks, guys! I wonder what I'll play with first. Telescope? No, I think I'll go fishing. Or maybe...
Hey! Ooh! Yeah!
Awesome trick, Maverick!
Hey!
Your turn, Mo!
Hey!
Look how high he's going! Oh my! He's heading for the sky! That was amazing! But we'd better catch that balloon! Quick! Before it gets carried too far on the wind! Go get your speed reactors on! Uh-oh! You'd better hurry! He's already floated over the river!
Mamo!
Maverick, how exactly do you plan to get Mo down?
Hey!
Stop! Mo will get hurt if you burst the balloon like that. He needs to come down slowly and gently. Hey, let's get Mia to help. Sorry, Mia, but Maverick needs you to come and help him rescue Mo. He's stuck in that hot air balloon. We need you to put some rocks in the hot air balloon. One by one.
Hey!
Good luck.
Hey!
Don't worry, Mo. You'll soon be on the ground again. Great! The plan is working!
Oh! Ha ha! Yeah! Hey.
Uh-oh! The hot air balloon is heading for the sea!
Oh.
Quick! Fetch Marty! Maybe he can catch him.
Yoo-wee.
Marty, we need you at the beach. It's an emergency.
Ba-da-ba.
Mo is inside that basket. We need to catch him before he lands in the water.
Oui, maman.
Mo, you're gonna have to jump. Let's hope he lands on Marty. Excellent! Good catch, Marty. What a team effort. Well done, everyone. Now you can all go play together at the skate park.
Banana. Banana.
But remember to keep an eye out for passing hot air balloons. Hey guys! You're excited about the World Cup? You can set up a soccer tournament here in Monster Town? That's a great idea! I bet Milo and Mitch would help. They love watching soccer. Hey guys, can you help us something? Maverick wants to build a soccer pitch so Monster Town can have its own World Cup. You in? You're right! It does look like a great place for a match. Okay, there are 3 games. Maverick will play Malcolm. And Mike will play Max. And the winners will play each other. Ready? Maverick wins this one.
Oh, bravo.
Looks like Max won that one. Maverick, Max, you guys are in the final round. Maverick, very impressive. You win the tournament. Great work today, guys. Did you have fun? There's nothing more fun than playing sports with your friends. Bye-bye. Have a good one.
Hey guys, follow us in our big adventures by clicking more videos. Download our app to play with your favorite friends. Thanks for riding with us. Hope you liked our video. Click here to subscribe and join the Car City family. See you on the road.